Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I wanted to play with some nails and I thought to myself, why don't I do a video? Now, I was looking back on YouTube videos and it seems like nobody wants to watch nail videos anymore. I don't know, it's weird. I used to spend hours watching nail videos, but I thought to myself, okay, people don't like to watch the long ones right now, but I want to try these new nails out. So I'm just going to do one nail in this video and then I might do another one, another one. And y'all can see the full set. Like, you don't have to watch it all in one go, if that makes any sense. So I'm not going to talk about these nails right now. I got them from Shein and I have a little bit of a haul that I need to film. And I just really wanted to try them out and see if they're any good. Now, this video is going to be filmed slightly differently. There's not going to be any editing. So I'm going to pause and record throughout the video. Hopefully that makes sense. But yeah, let's just quickly mention the ones that I thought I would use. I want to do something Christmassy inspired. I'm going to use these two. These are the Mia Secret ones. We've got Missing You from the Sweet Collection and Caribe from the Carnival collection. And I believe that this one is a bit of a sparkly one. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Okay. Excited. And then this is like an icy bluey, but it's also got shimmery sparkliness to it. So, yeah. And then I've also got a Neo Nails Mega White because I thought, I'm thinking something that resembles slightly like what's that thing called? The stripy thing that you eat, the candy cane, but not with red. I'm thinking like using icy ones. I saw what's her name, Annabelle from Glitter Bells. I'm think it was her. She posted like a really nice set. So I thought I'm gonna like take a bit of inspiration from that. I'm actually using the Glitter Bells monomer just because I want to start using some of my products up and I have so many things open. I'm gonna try and use the things that are open and then gradually use new things. So let's get into it. I need to find a brush. Okay, I'm not entirely sure how this is gonna go, you guys. I'm just gonna start putting the acrylic on the nail and see what happens. Oh, that's a bigger blob than I was expecting to get. I'm thinking because these are clear, I don't think I'm going to be able to do this in the way that I'm wanting to do it. In fact, I'm absolutely not going to be able to do this in the way that I'm wanting to do it because this acrylic is not going to play ball like that for me. Because I was kind of thinking I can leave. Unless I just do it as quite a thick nail. So I'm going to have to cap. God, I forgot how hard it is to do this and try and film at the same time. I hope I'm in focus or even in shot. I'm thinking it doesn't need to be super neat either. Just want to do it kind of. Sorry if I'm not really talking very much. I'm probably not going to be able to talk very much because I won't be able to concentrate if I talk too much. Then I was thinking about taking the white and pulling the white like doing this part all white. I don't know, because I can't put the see-through on this part. I can have these bits of like the glittery bits. And then maybe I could white marble it down. Let's do the glitter bit. No, maybe we do the glitter bit last actually. Let's pop the white here. I hope this is in shot alright, guys. White is quite difficult to work with. Right, I really don't want this to be too long. I'm kind of mindful, but I used to love watching these videos. Oh, we shall see. I'm thinking, I kind of wanted it to look like the white was. Maybe I should have actually done this. I have no idea what I'm doing now, guys. Trust the process, man. Trust the process. I want it to look like, you know, when people do nails and then they put like a pink or a white coming down. So I want it to kind of look, I should have just done the blue all the way up and then covered over it, like let it slowly blend over with the blue. Because then I'm thinking if I pop a bit of the silver underneath so it looks like I think that was underneath the white as well. I don't know if what I'm saying makes any sense, but it does to me. Right. Am I even in shot? Sorry, guys. I genuinely did forget how difficult it is to film. To do nails and film at the same time. I don't necessarily want it to blend the glitter to blend too much over the blue. It's actually not too bad, to be fair. I'm not sure if you understood what I meant when I said about this part here, but is it like the milk bath nails? And people do like the milk bath nails where it's like there's something underneath, but then it starts to get covered with the white, and that's kind of what I wanted this to look like here. It hasn't, I don't think, completely worked, but oh, I'm wondering if I should try go over it slightly with the white. I feel like I want to just try it. I'm probably just going to ruin it now, aren't I? I'm going to take a tiny bit. Literally just dipped it in. I was thinking maybe if I pull it down. Here. Oh. Just keep it really, really white. Really wet. Right, so now it needs capping. So what I might do is, I think I'm going to cap it off camera. I'm going to cap it off camera. So literally, give me like a second and I'll hopefully be back with it capped. So I have capped it. I'm not entirely sure how this is going to look. This is gone really wobbly now, so I need to wait for it to dry so I can push it back in and then give it a really good file. Again, I think I'm going to file it off camera. I quite like it though, it's quite cute. I haven't done nails this long in a really long time, so I mean, it's difficult. I forgot how hard it was, but yeah, it's fun. Okay, I have done the filing. I'm going to go in with the Mia Secret top coat. Again, this is just a top coat that needs using up. So, let's use it up. Oh, this is the bit I'm excited for now. Let's hope you can see this well. Yeah, that's my favourite bit. Oh, love it. Love it. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. I remember when I first started doing nails, I was obsessed with like, oh gosh, my accent is going so weird. I was obsessed with the just putting top coat over filed glitter, like glitter nails. Oh yes. Right, let's cure it and see what it looks like. And that is the finished look. Now, in terms of this video, in terms of like the filming, the lighting and everything, I'm just kind of playing about with stuff. So I'm just trying everything out. But I think you can see it all right. Let's see if we've got... Are we in focus on the nail? Have a little look this way. Oh, I'm actually quite pleased with it, you know. I think I was going to be... How close up can I actually get it? Oh. I wasn't too sure, but I think like the milky effect worked as well to give like the effect that I was hoping for. So yeah, I'm quite happy with that. Yeah, so hopefully after I've filmed this one, I'm terrible at doing this. After I've filmed this one, I'll film the other three. And I'll try and keep it in like a theme so the nails can go together. Might even kind of try and keep it to a similar, kind of like an adaptation of the ones that I saw that Annabelle did. I mean, this isn't the same at all, but it's just similar, kind of. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video and you want to see the rest of them, please like the video and leave me comments down below because my channel is struggling so badly and I know I keep saying that I want to get back into it, But it's really disheartening when you try get back into it and you get like 5 views, and the algorithm just hates me right now. So anything that you guys can do would help me. If I can get myself back on track properly with YouTube, I will put so much more time and effort into it. But yeah, I'm quite happy with this nail. Give me a thumbs up. I love you guys so much. If you're new, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Mwah, bye.